Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all. So now we're starting off with some stickers that I did purchase through Shein. Here you're gonna see some things through Shein, some through Amazon, and the rest, I believe most of it is from Aliexpress. So here we're starting off with these cool abstract stickers that have been trending lately, and these are another type of abstract nail art stickers, and they have faces and different types of shapes. So that is what I'm showing you here. These are both from Shein. Next, we're moving on to this pair of full coverage nails, and these are medium square, and I absolutely love these. These are from AliExpress. They're super affordable, and they have a variety of sizes and shapes, so that's definitely something I recommend everyone to go check out if you get a chance. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything or adding some stuff to your cart. Next, we're moving on to these buffers, these mini buffers. I definitely enjoy using these instead because they're miniature size and they're just easier and more convenient for me to use when I am filming tutorials. So here I'm just showing you what they look like, and I'll also be showing you if they work or not, which they worked really good, so I'm glad that I got my hands on those. This is a pack of 10 and they have a variety of different colors as well. So now we're moving on to a base coat and a top coat that I purchased through AliExpress, and this is from the brand ROSALIND. So here I'm going to be showing you the bottles, what they look like, their consistency, and also I'm going to apply them onto a nail and show you all what I think or what you guys think about the final results. I like how they are 10 milliliters each bottle, so that's a really good size in my opinion. And now I'm going to go in and apply the base coat, cure it, then apply some random nail polish that I have around here, and then I'm gonna cure that again and add the top coat and show you guys what the final results look like. And I absolutely loved how it turned out. I think they're great quality. I liked how when I dried the base coat under the UV lamp there was no bubbles, so I was definitely happy with the final result. So now we're moving on to these lint-free wipes that I did purchase through AliExpress as well. So here are what they look like, and honestly I just purchased from anywhere, like it was like a random seller through AliExpress, but wow, are these way better than the ones that I had purchased in the past, because these white ones, they're very thin, but these are definitely more sturdy and way better material. Now we're moving on to these designer nail art stickers that I did purchase through AliExpress as well. And it's really hard getting a hold of these designer stickers because sometimes these sellers are available on there and then next thing you know it says this item no longer exists. So it's just really, I don't really know how that works or why that happens, but I do always try my best to buy these in bulks. I had shown a previous batch of these, just a different in one of my past nail hauls, but yeah, here I'm just showing you what this random batch brought. I believe these are like a 20 piece or 16 piece, I don't remember, but yeah, I will try to link everything down below if not find an alternative. And there is some thunder in the background because it is raining here currently in Miami, so the weather here is so unpredictable, you just never know. But yeah, I hope you all are enjoying this nail haul so far. So next we're moving on to some water decals, and I absolutely am obsessed at the moment with some random water decals that I keep finding all over Ali and just such great prices, so I just have to keep ordering. And let me know if you guys would like to see and organize my nail art with me. I don't really know if you guys would care to see that, but let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like me to show you how I organize my nail art and some hacks or tips and tricks if you guys are interested, because those are definitely one of my favorite type of videos to watch here on YouTube. So let me know if you guys would like me to make a video like that. So here I'm just showing you all these random really cute water decals. They're just, I'm obsessed with these, like anything that's like a nail sticker, water decal. Like at first it was like glitters and stuff, and I still love my glitters, I still love any type of nail art, but right now at the moment has definitely been decals and stickers. So next I'm moving on to probably the best thing in today's nail art haul. So here we have this 15-piece acrylic nail kit, and this literally cost me less than $10. I think it was either $7 or $8 on Amazon, so I definitely recommend everyone to go and get this. This is absolutely amazing, everything you get for such a low amount of money. And the reason why I purchased this was because it brings so many things that I always need regardless, and I love stacking up on backups of extra supplies. So I was really happy to be able to find this. And right here I'm just showing you guys a dampen dish that this came with. Brings 2 slots for you to add whatever you desire on here. It also comes with an alcohol dispenser or whatever liquid you want to put in there. Then it also includes some extra rhinestones, which you can never go wrong with extra rhinestones. So that is what is here. Next, this brings some toe separators. It was kind of wonky, but I don't really mind. I don't use these. So then we have a brush to clean excess dust or to scrub. Then we also have like a type of cuticle nipper, not cuticle nipper, but like a cuticle tool. And then we're moving on to one of my favorite parts, which are all of these nail files and buffers that it includes, which I will be showing you right here. We have a 100-180 grit file. Next, your standard regular nail file. Another standard square regular nail file. Then we have two buffers, and this one is a 100-180 buffer, and then we also have the other one in the back that says 600-3000. So I was really happy with all these supplies that are always great to have. And then it also brings these rhinestones in all these different sizes and colors. Next, we're moving on to these cosmetic wedges, which I absolutely love for ombres. So I was really happy that it included some as well. And also a nail tip cutter. You can never have enough. And I also did test it on here and it worked. So that is a plus. I think they sell this particular nail clipper or a nail tip cutter on Amazon for like $3.99 or something like that. So this already included it. It also included 2 boxes of nail tips, which I love this type of shape. So here we have them in the color natural. And then we also have the same ones in clear. So next, look at all these cuticle manicure sticks. It's insane. Then we have this whole set of nail art brushes along with some dual forms. Do you guys see the quantity of things that you receive for the price? It's just like, wow, I'm definitely gonna go on here and order some, like probably like 2 more of these kits just to have. So here I'm just showing you how to place these on. Maybe you've never seen them before, you're just wondering what they are. This is how you place them on, and then you build your nail using gel, poly gel, or acrylic. It also includes a practice finger, which is great to practice designs and shapes. Now we're moving on to your standard nail tweezer, and these always come out of the packaging for some reason. And now we're moving on to these glitters that it also included, and it brings a variety of so much glitters. Brings 12 and with a lot of quantity. That's why you guys kind of noticed throughout the video there was glitter, because I guess it spilled out. But yeah, that was that. Now we're moving on to some more nail decals, and let me know down below what was your favorite thing in today's nail haul. I definitely loved that 15-piece acrylic kit. So now I'm just going to show you some really cute water decals. So lastly, we have these charms that you can apply to the nails, and they're like blinked out, some of them, and they're really cute. I really don't know where I purchased these from. I think it was Amazon, but I will have it linked down below and on the screen for you guys to see where I got these from in particular. So I'll just be sorting them out really quickly and then showing you everything that it comes with. I really like them. They're really, really cute, very sparkly, very pretty. So this is it for today's nail haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and always tuning in. I appreciate all the love and support. Stay tuned. Till next time.